What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the vlog. This is our first full vlog in Florida. So today is going to be an action-packed day. We're going to the beach, and we are going to kayak, and we are going to take a walk right now. So for breakfast right now, we have this protein bar, even though it's very small, but it doesn't matter. It's still good. So here's Liam. He'll be making his vlog later. Alright. We're gonna go out on a walk. I will catch you guys up and we'll walk. Hey guys, we are currently on our walk. Here's Liam.
Yeah, what's going on, guys? By the way, guys, expect some hockey time videos as of today because the
Maybe.
next coming.
Whatever. We don't know. We got pretty crappy sticks though, so it's gonna be knee hockey.
It's gonna be hockey. I might be able to bend over and.
Alright, so we are on our walk. Beautiful Florida weather. This is day
Says-
day
Day
2 and a half of our Florida
It
adventure.
says it's. We might film our kayaking if we can get a chance to do it.
Yeah, but I don't know. Liam will have to film that.
No, I can't because my phone's in the water.
No, you're gonna have to because I'm the one that's gonna be paddling you. Ass.
So maybe we won't film. Maybe I don't think we'll film that.
Alright, anyway guys, so I'll catch you guys up when we get to Starbucks, which is our destination. Peace out. Hey guys, so we made it to Publix. We're not going to Starbucks after. So we're gonna wait for his mom. So we're at Publix. And yeah, I will see you guys for second breakfast or whatever. I don't know what you want to say. So for second breakfast, guys, we have muffins, and we finished our Publix run. So now we're gonna go walk back to our house. And yeah, I'll catch you guys up when I'm done with that.
Who is that?
And I will see you guys for the first thing we do. Alright guys, so we got our muffin and dance moms and Liam and outside and yeah. So hey, shut up!
No.
Anyway, I will see you guys later. Bye. So for our snack we have a lot of watermelon. Just fell on the floor. Watermelon. And I'm saying pimples down. So I just went in the pool. There's the bald guy. I'll see you guys for lunch. So for lunch I had a spinach and mushroom pizza. Here's
You
the
guys. Thursday coming.
It's raining right now. No kayaks for today. But whatever. So just in the pool. And yeah. Now I'm gonna catch you guys up either when it stops raining.
That's not nice, Ella.
Or when something happens interesting. If nothing interesting happens, then I will catch you guys up for dinner. Peace out. So we just came back from kayaking. We just came back from kayaking, and so it stopped raining. Just went in the pool, and now we're headed to the beach. So yeah, that should be fun.
We're heading to the beach soon, not right this second.
Yeah, I know. But we're headed to the beach in about 10 minutes. So yeah, I will catch you guys up when we either are on the road to the beach or we get to the beach. So, bye-bye. So we're heading to the beach. We're heading to the beach.
I forgot one. Ma, you didn't bring one either.
Right, over here. Yeah, drive.
No, right here.
Right over here. Over there. At the end, you turn right.
The shopping center.
Daddy.
But you're going Hillsborough.
And now you are right before the bridge. See when I told you that walking distance is free?
Alright guys, so I'll catch you guys up when we get to the beach. Get to the beach. Yeah, here's Liam. So I'll catch you guys up when we get to the
phones.
dinner. So we're headed back from the beach. It is done
We
showing.
just saw the biggest lightning bolt
was insane. This truck was literally probably 100 feet in distance from us. So yeah, we're headed back. Pretty nice view over here. So yeah, see you guys for dinner. We had salmon, chicken, potatoes, and rice. Big meal. And yeah, that's some good dinner. And yeah, I'll see you guys for bedtime. Bye. So I'm headed to bed. That's gonna do it for the vlog. So yeah, I'll catch you guys up for the next vlog, which I don't know when it will be, but whatever. Peace out.